natural gas. In this video, we're going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the winner chart. We are in negative MACD. We're at oversold levels with RSI. We're still below the 200 moving average, this green line, at price of $5.78. With the 4-hour chart, we are in negative MACD and approaching to oversold levels with the RSI. As with the daily chart, we remain in positive MACD and we did see it diverge. As with the trade idea, I'll be trading UNG, and my position size for is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $17.12, and that is this range here. My sell target is at $20.35. My stop loss is at $16.26. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $21.64, and that is this range there. My sell target is at $18.09, and my stop loss is at $23.08. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, natural gas has a 43% chance to climb between 0 to 12%, a 29% chance to fall between 0 to negative 12%, and a 29% chance to fall between negative 12 to negative 23%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.